Let's look at this question. Rahul and Kiran were playing a game in which Rahul distributes 10 cards, numbered 1 through 10, equally between Kiran and him. So 5 cards go to Rahul and 5 cards go to Kiran. Rahul initially forms a stack with these 10 cards, shuffle them for n times, okay? Each time taking 4 cards which are exactly in the middle of the stack and placing them on the top of the stack in the same order. He then distributes the stack of 10 cards such that he first gives Kiran the topmost card and then takes the next for himself. He gives the next card to Kiran and then takes one for himself, and so on until all the cards are distributed. If you've ever played cards, this is basically one card to the other person, one card to you, one card to the other person, one card to you. Okay. After distributing all the cards, the person who has the card numbered 7 is declared the winner. Okay. So essentially, there is a lot of hoopla, and eventually, it is a game of simply whoever has 7 at the end, he wins. Okay. When Rahul initially formed a stack, the cards are present in the stack in the ascending order of the numbers, with card numbered 1 at the top and card number 10 at the bottom. So right at the beginning, initially, the order in which the cards are present are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have these 10 cards. This is the initial setting. This is the initial setting. And now, after some shuffles, after n shuffles, the cards get distributed. Okay. So, after shuffle 1, what will be the situation? Remember, the exact middle 4 cards, they get shifted to the top of the pile. So, after shuffle 1, the state would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Okay. See, why after shuffle 1, this would be the state of cards, and the cards will be doled out this way. The first card goes to Kiran, then to Rahul, then 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 to Kiran, then to Rahul. So, if after one shuffle the game ended, Rahul would win. He has 7 coming to him. What would happen if there had been 2 shuffles? These 4 cards in between, 7, 1, 2, 3 would come to the top. 7, 1, 2, 3. You would have 4, 5, 6 here. And 8, 9, 10 will always continue to maintain their position. In this case, Kiran would win. Here, Rahul is the winner. Here, Kiran is the winner. Okay. Again, if after 2 shuffles, if we look at it, Kiran would win. If we take the middle 4 cards and place them at the top, after 3 shuffles, we would have this state 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 8, 9, 10. In this case, Kiran is still winning. Kiran is still winning. So Kiran, after 3 shuffles, if we distribute, Kiran would win. How about shuffle 4? And at this time, you may question why are we doing this for so many shuffles? Because understand, given that this is a game in which cards are basically getting their original position back, after some iterations, we will reach the initial state. We have to keep on creating what happens after every shuffle until we reach the initial state. Once we reach the initial states, the outcomes will start repeating themselves. But until the time we have that initial state, we have to keep on doing this processing. So now 6, 7, 1, 2 will come to the front. 3 and 4 and 5 will be here. 8, 9, 10 as always remain the bedrock of stability. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 will come to the front. After shuffle 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 1 and 8 and 9 and 10. Now 5, 6, 7, 1 will come to the front. After shuffle 6, you'll have 5 and 6 and 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 here and 8 and 9 and 10. And now the middle 4 cards 1, 2, 3, 4 will come to the front. And look at this beautiful. After shuffle 7, we will achieve the target that we had. The target being achieving the initial state all over again, the cards in ascending order. After this part, what would happen is, the outcomes or the distribution will repeat itself. After shuffle 4, because 7 is under Rahul, so Rahul would win. Here it is under Rahul, so Rahul would win. Here it is under Kiran, so Kiran would win. And here it is under Kiran, so Kiran would win. So after 7 iterations, after one shuffle, if you distribute, it would be Rahul winning. After 2 shuffles, Kiran. After 3 shuffles, Kiran. After 4 shuffles, Rahul. After 5 shuffles, Rahul. After 6 shuffles, Kiran. After 7 shuffles, Kiran. After 8 shuffles is as good as one more than 7. After 7 iterations, if we reach the initial state again, so this is like indicative of 1, 8, 15, or all 7n plus 1 type of numbers. This is indicative of all 7n plus 2 kind of numbers. This is indicative of all 7n plus 3 kind of numbers. This is 7n plus 4. This is for 7n plus 5s. This is for 7n plus 6s. And this is for 7x. In fact, let me write it as 7n plus 1 so that the uniformity sticks. So we know everything about the card distribution, who is winning. Everything is known clearly to us. Let us get to individual questions. For which of the following values of n will Rahul win? 7 is a 7n kind of number. In this, Kiran wins. No. 9 is 7n plus 2 kind of number. In this case, Kiran wins. So no. 11 is a 7n plus 4 kind of number. In this case, Rahul wins. So yes, potentially. 14 is 7n kind of number. In this case, Kiran wins. So no. So this is the only case in which Rahul wins. Answer is option C. Next. Which of the following pair of cards can Rahul never have simultaneously? Following pairs of cards can Rahul never have simultaneously? Let's see 2 and 6. After one shuffle, Rahul has 2, Karthik has 6, not possible. In shuffle 2, after shuffle 2, Karthik has 2. So this option is, Karthik has 2, Karthik has 6, not possible. How about after shuffle 3, Karthik has 2, Rahul has 6, not possible. After shuffle 4, Rahul has 2 and Rahul has 4. 2 and 4. Rahul has 2, Rahul has 2, Karthik has 6. So not possible. Rahul does not have position of 2 and 6 simultaneously. After shuffle 5, Karthik has 2, Karthik has 6, not possible. Rahul has 6, Karthik has 2, not possible. Rahul has 2 and Rahul has 6. Ooh. After 7 shuffles, if the distribution took place, card number 2 and card number 6 will go to Rahul. So this is not the right answer. How about card number 2 and card number 5? After one shuffle, Rahul has 2, Rahul has 5. So this is not possible. 2 and 5 cannot be, as in Rahul can potentially have card number 2 and card number 5 simultaneously if the distribution happened after one shuffle or 7n plus 1 shuffles. How about card number 1, card number 7? Rahul and Karthik are distributing 1 and 7. Rahul 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 Karthik are distributing 1 and 7. And finally here, Karthik has 1 and Karthik has 7. So can I say, under no case, regardless of when you end up distributing, card numbered 1 and card numbered 7, both will not be with Rahul. They can potentially be with Karthik if we distribute it after 7 shuffles, but they will never ever be with Rahul. So this has to be the answer. For peace of mind, we'll also go ahead and check 7 and 8. 8 I always know is with Rahul. So in whichever case Rahul is winning, let's say S4 after shuffle 4. Rahul has 7, Rahul has 8. So this case also gets ruled out there. And therefore the answer to this question is option C. Next, if Kiran has 2 cards with consecutive numbers, was not the winner of the game. So we have to limit ourselves to these games after shuffle 1, after shuffle 4 and after shuffle 5. And we have to check if Kiran has 2 consecutive numbers. I see Kiran has 3 and 4 here. I see Kiran has 5 and 6 here. And I see Kiran has 4 and 5. Oh, sorry, 1 and 2 here. So all the 3 remain in play. Kiran has 2 cards with consecutive numbers. This was not the winner of the game. So after shuffle 1 or shuffle 4 or shuffle 5, these are in play. Then which of the following will Rahul definitely not have? Rahul will definitely not have. So even if you find one case where Rahul has this option gets eliminated. Card number 3. 3 is with Karthik, cool. And 3 is with Karthik, cool. 3 is with Rahul, so this is out. Card number 6. 6 is with Karthik, 6 is with Karthik, and 6 is with Karthik. So yes, regardless of which case you take after shuffle 1 or shuffle 4 or shuffle 5, 6 is always with Karthik. You can also potentially guess this from, if Rahul is winning, Rahul has card number 7. If Rahul has card number 7, the card just prior to it has to be card number 6 and it has to be with Karthik only. So you can come to that conclusion logically also. But from the list that you have, card number 6, card number 6, and card number 6 are all with Karthik. Let's look at card number 5. Rahul has card number 5 in after shuffle 1. So this is out. Card number 4 in the after S4, card number 4 is with Rahul. So this is also out. The correct answer is, of course, option B. Last question. If the sum of the cards that Kiran has is the lowest possible, then which of the following cards will Rahul have? Okay. Now look at this wonderful thing. Sum of the cards present with these people. Sum of the cards present with these people if I'm seeking, can I say because the last 3 cards always get distributed in a manner where Rahul gets 8 and Rahul gets 10 and Karthik gets 9. If I am looking to minimize the sum of cards present with someone, these 3 cards are not playing a role in that. So let me go ahead and simply look at sum of cards with Rahul and sum of cards with Karthik. Depend because the numbers involved here, the first 7 numbers involved here are 1 to 7. We add them up to 7 into 8 by 2, 7 into 8 by 2, 28. So I will simply add up the numbers with Rahul because there are only 3. 5 plus 7 plus 2. So 14 is with Rahul and 14 is with Karthik after shuffle 1. Now let's look at after shuffle 2, 1 and 3 and 5. So 9 is with Rahul. So 19 has to be with Karthik. Okay. In this case, 4 and 6 and 1. 11 is with Rahul. So 17 has to be with Karthik. In this case, 7 plus 2 plus 4. So 13 is with Rahul. So 15 has to be with Karthik. Next one, 3 and 5 and 7. 15 is with Rahul. So 13 has to be with Karthik. Next one, 6 and 1 and 3. So 10 is with Rahul. So 18 has to be with Karthik. And then 2 and 4 and 6. So 12 is with Rahul. So 16 has to be with Karthik. We go back to the question. If the sum of the cards that Kiran has is the lowest possible. So looking for the lowest possible sum of cards with Kiran. So it has to be this case after shuffle 5, 13. Which of the following cards will Rahul have? So looking for cards that Rahul will have. Rahul will have this card, this card, and this card, and this card, and this card. 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Which of the following cards will Rahul have? Rahul will have card number 3. Yes. Will he have card number 6? No. Will he have card number 2? No. Will he have card number 4? No. The answer has to be option A. In terms of habit, hopefully you have seen, when I come to the last question of a set, I'm willing to make edits and write stuff on my data. But prior to coming to the last question, I try to keep it as clean as possible because I might need it for future reference. Here, because we had come to the last question, I was willing to make all the lines after 7 and the circles for the numbers. All of that I can do because I know this is the last question and this is the end point for this set. That will be all.